Well, hello there, my YouTube viewers. How's everybody doing out there? I'm back again with another video. That's right. So we did some walkie-talkies previously, and it's pretty good. Well, maybe we'll do some more videos on those. However, today we just got another package in today. We're going to be reviewing. Let's see here. What is the Universal Mobile Phone Stand? So I just got this in today. On the day that this has been recorded. As a matter of fact, the postal carrier just left my house, so I haven't not even opened this at all. We're going to open it right now, and we're going to take a look at what's inside. Alright, so without further ado, let's take a look. This should be a fairly short video, because there's probably not much to show in here, right? Other than just me showing you guys another product. So, I got this on Amazon, and I will provide the link in the description. So, if you guys are interested in this, you can get one. So as you can see here, we get the cell phone, we get the carrier. This is obviously where you put your phone, and it is spring loaded, so it's pretty neat. So it should fit a variety of phones. It's plastic, but it feels like it's some kind of coated plastic. So got that right there. Alright, so that's the phone holder. And what else do you get in here in the package? You get the actual universal, the adjustable. This is a adjustable metal tubing or something there, so that's what you get there. Alright. And we get some instruction manuals, which I'm assuming that, and that's it, nothing else in the box. And I'm assuming that assembly doesn't require very much assembly. Let's see here. Yeah, we do have just simple instructions here. Right there. Got two sheets there. That's what we got, so let's take a look here. Okay, setup instructions. So we have that. Setup instructions. We got two. So they give you basically different ways on how to set it up. So we'll let you take a look at that. Alright, so let's open it up and let's take a look. So as you can see, this is flexible tubing. It just kind of spans out like that. It's pretty long. It's wrapped in plastic, so we're going to go ahead and just kind of see if we can pull it out of its plastic here. Some long rubber tubing there. We'll just pull it out of that plastic there. There we go. Slides right off. It slides off fairly easy. So if you find that it doesn't slide off, you can just kind of use your X-Acto knife and just cut it right down the middle. So we can have a nice long tube. Just like that. So now let's take a look at the assembly. So it's very flexible. It's like this. And let's see, the instructions say that you just insert it like this, right? So this is the phone holder. And I'm assuming it just goes in like that. It just pops right in. Okay. So when it just pops right in. Let's see here. Okay, let's take a look here. I gotta get a little closer. I think it's just a magnetic. Okay. Yep. Okay, so there it is, folks. Yeah, I had to come off camera so I could look at it more closely. So yeah, it's very simple. I thought there was screws or snaps, but I guess it doesn't. It's magnetic, so there are magnets. It's magnetic, so they just snap right in like this. And then it's just adjustable. It's magnetic like that. And the phone slides in. Now I don't have a phone because I'm using the phone to record. And you simply just adjust it to your liking. It can be a tripod. And there it is, you see. So assembly was very quick. I was able to do it. And you see, it's a stand. You can adjust it any way you like. See, it's very flexible, very adjustable. Like that. You can adjust it up. Just like that, see? So, but here's one of the other nifty things that you can do about it, and I'll be turning the camera around shortly to show you. Let me just pull it out like this. See, you can readjust it. We'll just flip this thing around here. The handle does rotate, so this rotates like that. Very simple. So, one very useful application that I can honestly say. Once again, I don't have a phone, but I'm going to turn my camera around. Okay. And hopefully I'm getting this in frame. Let me get this right here. But you can put it around your neck like this. So if you're laying in bed, or if you're just walking around the house and you're watching something on your phone, it's very useful. It's very useful like this. See, and you have your phone, you can adjust it. You can adjust the angle view, the viewing angle, put it closer. In my case, since I'm visually impaired, I can even adjust it to, I can have it as close as I need to my face so I can see, like that. Just like that, see. It's even perfect for, like, say you're doing a vlog and you're walking around the house, you can kind of have the phone, or you can have it this way if you want to do it that way. Also, like for instance, this unboxing video, I'm on a tripod, but I could easily use this instead of a tripod being in my way, and I can just kind of work with you guys like this. Alright folks, I hear like this, and I can be working, doing my unboxing video, and I just, I can adjust it like that, and I can do unboxing videos or product reviews, whatever I want to show you guys, like this, and have no need for a tripod. Of course, that is one practical use, but I probably wouldn't recommend that, because you're moving around, so which means there's going to be a lot of video movement, which will probably make you guys dizzy, and probably just make the video, the video would suck. People would thumbs it down because there's too much movement on the camera. But yeah, so there it is, folks. It's the universal. Let me look at this again. It is the universal mobile stand. There it is right there, folks. So as a quick video, quick unboxing, just thought I'd do another little quick product unboxing. If you're interested in something like this, I will provide the link in the description. So yeah, ow. Alright folks, so I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all take care. Peace out, and I'll see y'all in the next one.